Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the 360 wig. I'm going to compare the 360 wig, the difference between the full lace wig. I think it's much more cost effective to buy the 360 wig. Let me show you the difference. For example, when you pass the 360 wig ear to ear from here, and still you can pass always like 4 inch to 4.5 inch like this. You see now here, this is the parting, and still you can part again from here like this. Also is the 4 inch, but normally between this size between this size is normally 4 inch to 4.5 inch, and slowly comes here, it will be like 4 inch. The parting same like this, ear to ear from here, the ear 4 inch, but this size will be longer. But the 360 wig, the parting in the front lace will be longer than the lace front wig, because normally the lace front wig, this size is some vendors that will make like 3.5 inch to 4 inch in the middle size, the parting, but to the both sides they will become very shorter parting. The lace, let me show you the difference. Here, this, can you see the inside? This is the inside. My finger, the position where my two hands grabs here, from here, this side, there the front side here. So the lace, let me show you. I just pull it up. Can you see the lace size here? From here, this is ear to ear. You see the lace, I will measure it for you. This, the middle one I show you, is almost 5 inch from here. See, so when you part, when you make the parting will be 5 inch or 4.5 inch long here. So when it comes to here, the side parting also like almost 4 inch here. I show you this. So obviously the two sides, the width, you see, is wider than the lace front wig. It's wider than the lace front wig. Same here, it's wider than lace front wig. Almost 4 inch, and 4.5 to 5 inch. When you do the parting, show you. I just show you. So this is the 360 wig. You see, it's all around the lace. 360 wig. The lace handmade. We hand tie the hair on the lace, but the middle one, you see the middle is the clocks. This is the clocks. It's not made by hand. It's not hand tie. It's machine made. This clocks is machine made to solve the hair. You can see the line here, which solve the hair by the machine. You see the line. It's very perfect line. So this wig, the 360 wig, is actually much more cost effective than the full lace wig. You see this one. So when you buy this 360 wig, it's lower price than the full lace wig, but better than the lace front wig if you want to do the parting. Better the parting like this I just showed in the middle, and these two sides is has more wider lace in the front than the lace front wig. And also the lace front wig, the back side, the lace front wig, the back side, it does not have lace at the neck and at the back side. It does not have lace at the back side, lace front wig. But the 360 wig, it has the lace at the back side, you see? It's very good. So that's why we call it 360. It's one circle. This is the back side. It's hand tie the hair on the lace. The back side, this is the back side. And also with the adjustable strap. It's very easy to wear and easy to take off. And with the comb, you see the comb. And this is the front side. You see the front side, the size of the lace front is obviously bigger, wider than the lace front wig. If you want to do the parting, much better. So you can go for this 360 wig. Normally we have stock for the straight and body wave. Let me show you the body wave. This one. This is the body wave in stock, and the straight, this one I just show you. We can make different texture. If we are not very busy, you can tell us what texture you want, and we make a texture for you like 1 week, around 1 week, and then we can finish it if we are not very busy. But normally we have stock, straight and body wave. Now it's very hot selling. A lot of customers are buying this. So in the next video, I will show you more of our hair products. Thank you.